Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Zar. I'm very pleased to welcome you to my website. I deal in endocrinology and biochemistry. Biochemistry is the part of human processes which are understood at an atomic level, at a molecular level. So there is hardly a theory involved in it. However, endocrinology is that part which involves hormones. Most of the diseases that we come across have different connotations and they can be understood in different perspectives. But there are several things that you will come across, particularly in the disorders we treat section, where I involve both. I do not believe in any theory. I would like to go with mathematical precision. So when you come on this website, you can be rest assured that everything that we are doing is based on mathematical precision, how the hormones work, the medicinal, even the dose in nanograms and picograms to the minutest point where they're effective, and so on and so forth.